a great choice today with the 2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, heated front seats, CD player, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated steering wheel, compass, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.